The first step in the cycle is the description of what happened in as much detail as possible. So you'll be asking yourself questions like, when did this happen? Who else was there? What did you do? And so on. You want to establish as clear a picture as possible of what happened. Don't get distracted at this stage by trying to analyze what happened or draw conclusions. Focus on objective observations. The next thing to do is to consider thoughts and feelings. Think about what other people might have been thinking or feeling about the situation. In other words, looking at it from different perspectives. During the evaluation stage, you'll need to be as objective as possible when looking at what worked, what didn't work, why it did or didn't work, and so on. At this point, using something like the 5 whys can be helpful. Essentially, you'll keep asking yourself why until the root cause of the problem is revealed. This is the stage where the deep digging is done, and if you only just scrape over the surface, a lot can be missed. Once you've evaluated the situation, you can start to draw conclusions about what happened. Think about the situation again, considering the information that you've collected so far. Then ask yourself questions like, if I were faced with the same situation again, what would I do differently? What skills do I need to develop so that I can handle this type of situation better? The last step of the cycle is the first step forwards. In other words, action. List the actions that you want to take that will help you deal with similar situations more effectively should they occur in the future.